Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert Word file into JPEG. So let's get started. Simply open the Microsoft Word. Now create the file which you want to convert. Now select the text and right click on it. And here you can see the option of copy. Now here you have to click on paste and here you can see the option paste special. Click on it and here you have to select picture enhanced meta file and click on OK. You have to again select the text and right click on it, and here you can see the option save as picture, and here you have to select JPEG file interchange format. Select the file name and click on enter. Now open the file explorer, click on pictures. Now here it is the image which we have converted from Word file to JPEG. So you can also convert your Word files into JPEG by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.